Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through preventing Facebook from automatically downloading content on your PC after the latest update. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by auto-downloaded media popping up without your consent, you're in the right place. We'll keep things simple step by step so you can regain control in just a few minutes. First, start by opening the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're inside, locate the menu icon. There are usually 3 dots at the top of the page. Click or tap those dots to reveal more options. This is your quick access point to the app's settings and info. From the menu, select App Info. This section gives you a clearer view of how the app interacts with your device and data. In App Info, look for Settings. Opening Settings brings up a focused area where you can adjust permissions and other preferences without digging through menus. Next, you'll want to find Permissions. In this area, you'll see various controls tied to what Facebook can access on your device. Look for an option labeled More Settings Permissions. This is where Facebook consolidates its download and update behaviors so you can tailor them to your liking. Now, locate the setting next to automatic downloads. This is the crucial control for preventing unsolicited downloads. Choose block to stop automatic content from being downloaded to your PC. By selecting block, you're telling Facebook to respect your preference, so media will only download when you explicitly allow it. If you're ever unsure about a change, you can revisit these steps to adjust again. Keeping an eye on app permissions is a good habit, especially after updates that reorganize settings. You'll find that blocking automatic downloads not only saves bandwidth, but also gives you more control over what arrives on your device. To wrap up, remember, open Facebook, go to the 3 dots at the top, choose App Info, open Settings, find Permissions, select More Settings Permissions, and set automatic downloads to block. It's a quick adjustment with a big impact on your daily online experience.